Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and today I wanted to do something fun with you. I've seen these on the commercials, like on TV before, but they were like so big. So when I saw this, they're the tiny ones, and I got them in my favorite color, red. And I figured we should try them out and see how fun they are. So let's go. Alright, we're going to open this up, and I was looking on the back, and they come in different colors. So you've got red, blue, green, pink. This one says glow blue, and then glow green. So that tells me that these glow in the dark. And I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing these right, but they're called Wubbles. Wubble balls. Alright, well let's go. Alright, so let's open it up. Ooh, that must be the Wubble ball. See? Directions. Alright, so you're going to get the Wubble and then the nozzle. That's all you should need to have a lot of fun. So let's do this. Alright, well, we've taken it out of the package. Now, I always read the directions because you never know. You think maybe just pop that right in there and start blowing. This isn't the case here. So the directions say to make sure that we get some petroleum jelly, which I have, and to get a cotton swab. And we're going to stick the cotton swab into the petroleum jelly. And you're going to take where the little hole is that you're going to insert this for the air, and you're going to put it around the inside. Now the reason you're doing that is because you don't want to just jam it in there. It will pop. They say they're super sensitive, so always make sure you read the directions. Alright, so now that we have the petroleum jelly on there, we're going to insert, they call this a valve. So it says hold the Wubble ball firmly by the valve and insert the nozzle completely in. Not as easy as I was thinking. Alright, so now that it's in, I think. Alright, I'm not right. That is not. Okay, we're gonna try this. Because I don't want it, like, I'm so nervous that it's gonna poke through. I'm like, Not, oh, it went through. Just being honest, that wasn't the easiest to just push through, but we got it, so let's do this. Okay, so before I started, I should have read the directions. Step 3. Holding the Wubble with one hand and the nozzle with the other. Safety first. Blow until the Wubble has reached about 12 inches. Well, let's see. Do you guys hear that? That sounds so cool. Not sure. I really do have a fear of balloons popping in my face, so this is kind of nerve-wracking. Does that look like 12 inches? Ooh. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. All you do after is just take this out. Bang, 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 bang. I'll be right back. Alright, I had to go grab that. It went flying. This is kind of neat though. Do you wobble, do you wibble? Oh. Well, that wasn't good. Thing has a mind of its own. These are probably better for outdoor. The directions say sharp objects like tree branches, rough surfaces like gravel can pop and damage your wobble. Don't leave it outside in direct sunlight on hot days for a long time. They're soft and strong, however, sunlight can make them very hot, which can make them fragile, yada yada yada. If you get a small hole in your wobble, you can seal it temporarily with a piece of tape or duct tape. That's good to know. I'm gonna back up a smidge. Ooh, this is really fun. Get back here. I like it. This is neat. Well, I'll have to bring this outside and test it. But not today. It's super hot outside and I just want to play. So just be careful with these because it's the same concept of throwing a ball in the house, but these ones kind of don't have minds of their own, but they're actually super fun. And it did say that this one was red. Does this look red to you guys? No, it looks pink, which I don't mind any color, but it did tell me it was gonna have red, so. But it is a lot of fun. And I definitely recommend you guys getting these because if you have a friend, like, alright, so that got stuck to it. Boom, 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 boom. You can use a wall, make sure there's nothing. Wow, it actually came right back to me. But if you have a wall, you know, you can sit there and just get permission and just make sure you have an adult help you even with this because you're putting something in your mouth and you don't want to choke. But overall, these are super fun and you should definitely try them. Kind of makes me now want to go out and buy the big one, but this right now is definitely fun. Now, I just realized that say it's starting to lose air, or you want it to go back down because you're like, I'm done playing with this for the day. I, want to save it. It shrinks back. And I think that is actually super cool because that means it's reusable. This is awesome. Look, it's going right back down. And then you could package it away. After you're done, you're like, oh, I want to play again. It goes right back. This is really, really neat. Oh, look at it. It's a little one. Bing, bing. But I love things that are reusable, and this definitely is something that you can use over and over as long as you don't pop it. I mean, even if it has a hole in it, you could put a little piece of tape and continue having fun. Well, friends, that was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed yourself too. And I hope that you guys keep coming back for more and more fun with me, your friend Cookie. That's Kookie, and that would be me. And don't forget, if you like videos like this, keep liking them and subscribing for more and more fun.